Hey y'all, welcome back to Hollow Boys Garage. Give y'all an update on the truck. As you see, bed is sitting on there. You know, it's looking real good. So, kind of give y'all a longer rundown of this. But today, we got the bed cut out. It's sitting on blocks. That's why, if you noticed, the front body line is off. Couldn't get that quite right. But I'll be getting some 2x2 and some other metal to weld a cross brace to go across it, get the front to set down on it. We can put multiple bolts through it. This one we had a notch out. You had to make clearance here, but it went all the way across. We did the same thing over there, notched it. Fender wells, had to make some clearance. As you see, shocks go through. Back here, all the same thing. Notch it and make a room. The frame, you notice right there, it sticks up. So we'll be coming in, coming down, and bringing it across roughly right around the top of this hole. And I'm gonna take another, maybe like 2x2, and then come across it, tie it in to the other frame over there, do the same thing on it right around that hole, so everything will set down on it. All the panels are currently out there. We'll cut them, template them back in, and do the same thing with the fender wells. Filler neck, man, I'll tell you what, that's a pain in the ass right there. It doesn't want to bend. It bends and gets up into here, so only best thing I can do is pull it out, flush it out with water, and we're going to cut it, shorten it a little bit so it'll mount in this area. Yeah, it's coming along. The plan for this, the plan for it is it's going to be a wood floor to cover the hump, so it'll be all flat across, and then these will be compartments. Wood floor will come across, you drop the tailgate, you'll have a compartment here, you can store tools and stuff like that, and you can still haul just a little bit of stuff on the top, but it ain't built for hauling. You know, it's built for a hot rod. A little giddy up, rat rod project. And then up here will be the same thing. I'll have some handles that pull up, and there'll be a nice compartment that goes into here on both sides, access, kind of like a toolbox, but sitting in there. Interior, she's in. The space that's up here is actually going to be cut. I used a paint cap as a reference, but it's going to be bigger than this, but it'll fill in this entire hole right here. That's where actually I'm going to make some custom mount cup holders on both sides. Door shut. Loud and rattly, just how I like. I got some new seals coming for it. And hood is on, as you clearly see. And it's a Crown Vic motor still in there. Nothing special about that. But everything's tucked in there. I did use the factory f100 fenders, but they are notched. This will be mounted right there. Everything is in there. This is the Crown Vic hood. With that's going away, it will have the f100 hood latch here, so I can access it from here. That's still a piece of the cop thing I found. Got to get rid of that. Fuse box is mounted. Battery will be shifted over, set back into there, just roughly sitting in there. Cooler will raise up just off of its bracket. I still got to weld in the frame caps. So give it a close. It won't close, but you'll see it shut. There it is. It's looking good, looking good. Also, those body lines are adjusted. That bed's on there adjusted. That's how we like it. It rides low. It got some clearancing I got to do for the fenders. Sharp turning, they do rub. But Can't expect much for it. But there she is, y'all. All right, y'all. Appreciate you. Holler at you later.